Hey guys, what's happening? How to create Starlink account. To create Starlink account, you will need to either purchase the Starlink kit from the Starlink website or from a retailer. Then activate it on the Starlink website after receiving a confirmation email from Starlink that you ordered the Starlink kit, right? Afterwards, you're gonna hit the black button in your email to confirm that you actually ordered the Starlink, and you're gonna see like a black button that says sign in, right? And you're gonna be able to receive a digit or special number or special digits to actually allow you to sign in. Once you hit the sign in button, you will see within the order, because I blurred it out, you can see the the information and how to use the sign in credentials and use that digit to confirm or to sign up using the digits they sent from Starlink, right? After you ordered the Starlink kit, confirm that you ordered Starlink kit for the first time. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.